dorked up now.
Yeah.
Because of both of them.
Oh my god.
Who's both of them? Marco and Shawn, right?
Alright, dip and shit.
I'm not going to Walmart anytime soon. Well, I have to leave shortly.
Okay.
Okay, we'll have to finish your lawn another day.
No, we still weed whack. That's all we have to do is weed whack.
That's good.
Fine.
Yeah, that is all we have to do. We don't have to worry about lawn. Yeah, it's your problem. That's how we do things.
Bernie did it.
What?
People don't remember to go. That's
Oil filter now.
now Shawn owes Matt $15.
I don't know, man.
You owe him $15.
No.
I told you, man. Just trust Matt. But no.
Damn, that's a lot of oil.
You have to go and waste $15.
I was confident in myself. He's not gonna take home.
Confidence.
He's not.
Sponge painting is fun.
You won't. Still. What do you want?
Let me hit you with this.
What do you want?
I want a bag from these cabinet. Cabinet closet.
You want to record while I text Shawn?
Oh, that's when I say hi.
I was just about to put.
Oh, wow.
Because you said hi earlier.
Oh, yeah. Same dude works there. Oh, dude, you know how close that was? God.
And here, come here.
Hey, you need to know the model.
Huh?
You need to know the model. You need to write that down.
It's the X50.
Come back over here and finish sponge painting. Probably tell me those squares.
What's the model?
The model? It is it's a 22511-0X29.
Smack is bad.
Alright, what you need to do is take those screws,
Yeah?
move them, and start it.
That's all juiced up. That's actually pretty hot.
What do you mean paper towel?
Tony, give him paper towel.
You gotta change the oil. You having your life?
Yes.
Tony, give him paper towel.
You guys are just retarded. You know how to work this, Shawn?
Yeah.
Really?
Apparently not.
I don't know what the car.
But there's almost no oil on it.
Your wife told me.
Because it all bled. All right there. And there.
You guys aren't helping.
I thought it's on sponge. Maybe we can sell that center
These are
block.
carbureted. They don't have the filters. The oil filter is in line.
Is it grass?
I wonder if this thing's something putters like that. With gas. Why don't you just put some water in it?
Will that work?
Go get some peanut oil. You just gotta start it and see if it pushes all the rest of it out. But then you need some more oil.
I'm bored.
Bernie, stand right there.
Yeah, we should.
Should not.
This concert. Who else is playing it?
4 bands that you've never heard of.
Why you going?
Good Framing Hanley. Because I know we listen to Framing
Someone
Hanley.
wants the Wang Chung.
I don't want you Wayne Chung, right? Put that man on his face.
Does anyone know what that means? Does it mean anything?
Tony, hold that.
Oh, what?
That plastic shroud.
Shove that.
Don't put it back on there.
Let's go put it in this as a move. Hold it.
Hold
Probably gonna pop out the top.
Yeah, probably will. No.
No, put your face a little closer to it.
No!
You got it.
God, I don't want to get my toes cut off.
It's still bleeding.
Shawn, what are you doing?
Dude, did you hear that?
Yes, the blade under there. I saw the thing move.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean it's gonna start with that.
It ain't just nothing. Tip it up. Start it.
Tip it up.
Yeah, a little bit.
The other way, Shawn.
Come on, man. What are you trying to reach my steps?
Don't worry about it. Just pull the damn thing and start it.
Freaking zipper heads around.
doing? I don't know. My mom told me to go away. So she kicked me out of the house and said come back at 6, be home at 6. I was like, cool.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. So what's up? How have you been?
Who the fuck is that black motherfucker?
Yes, can you do that?
Oh, that's lovely. Hey there, black
That's
guy.
my uncle.
Oh, in that case.
You have a black uncle too? Oh my god.
Oh my god, I have a
I
black
call him
uncle.
my uncle. He's like 17.
So? He doesn't know any better.
I'm so weird. What do you have? What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm walking.
Obviously, what were you doing?
Dunkin' Donuts.
Of course.
Where the hell did you expect me to go?
Well, I would say John's, but the John's at his home.
I know that now that I've called from Dunkin' Donuts. Don't judge me. Yes, I walked further. Call back that way.
I want to get Dunkin' Donuts now. Gosh.
Really? You want to go? I mean, I have time. I don't care.
How long does it take from get here from there? Because we have less than 15 minutes.
What time is it?
Are you getting back in the car?
4:42.
Why do we have less than 15 minutes?
Because you're not leaving for a concert. I told you.
Oh, you cock blocking bastard. Now I can't get this.
Yay! What the hell?
You're gay.
You're gay. I'm half gay.
Start the fucking thing.
I can't start it.
Kick off. Kick off of it.
Yeah, big guy, you start it. If it starts, I'm
So,
gonna hit you, bro.
what concert you want to today?
Framingham Hanley.
Roger, I'm taking that $15 and fix these.
Don't worry, we're gonna take you on American Reject.
Oh, I'm going.
No.
I have my mom. Well, I can't say no. Just run away and come back the next night. I was like, probably. But it's just so much easier for you to give me a ride.
True. We're taking him to All American Rejects with us.
What are you guys doing?
There's some.
They're,
Oh,
What?
Well, obviously it ain't gonna start either without
I don't
filter.
feel mad.
No, the air
So you're leaving in 15 minutes and I show up now.
oh, I thought you were
It's called wire, Shawn.
I'm touching it, G.
That is?
Yeah, you guys told us a million times. My texting's taken away.
Andy.
and shit. Right?
I don't learn things, okay?
Obviously.
You're out of gas.
Couldn't you just call me and tell them? Well, you didn't.
Was
Yeah.
it even necessary to check out that filter?
Should have texted me and told me you can't text. Then I would have got the memo. Because I would have remembered.
Yes, because I'm texting you why you don't have texting to tell you I can't text. Really?
I can say you had texting your phone, smart ass. Damn.
Well, you're implying it.
You imply everything.
You're implying everything. You're mean.
Yeah.
This is the cutest fight ever.
No, this is.
That's like 12 laps. Oh, you still got those laps?
Some.
Tropicana.
I drank it all.
We're doing that.
Normally you throw it. No.
Like, you know me, I'll throw it for you.
Like if you want to. Like, hold on, let me start from the side. No, making it deadly.
Nice.
Put your knife on the top. Hey, think fast. Okay.
Oh my god, Shawn.
It's cut me.
Just so weird.
Yeah, that's exactly what you need. More sharp objects.
It's not even that sharp, it doesn't stab me, for once. The first person John ever got me that doesn't stab me. I'm so happy. Because the other necklace stabs me so much. He has like 3 rows of it that stabs. He's gonna get me earrings that match it to stab me.
Still pouring on my head.
Okay.
I mean, you would have anyways.
Give up.
I mean, it's just keeping you on your toes like you're walking and always. Hey, it's alright. I was gonna do it later. Did you like, really? Or you just that emo? She's like,